Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Rahimi bin Mat. This presentation for the subject Science and Technology Research. Today I want to present about comparison between maintain load test and dynamic test. Its content, introduction, problem statement, objective, methodology, literature review, and conclusion. Introduction. Pile foundation are used commonly for the support of building, bridge, and other structure to transfer load to the ground and to avoid settlement or lateral movement. Maintain load test is one of the alternative besides dynamic test and high strength dynamic test (PDA). Problem statement. Although the use of foundation, especially piles, is not a new thing in the construction industry, the community is still not satisfied with the result. Usually, several tests will be done for the pile to show the integrity of the pile and its capacity. This prediction can ensure that the pile design meet the requirement required for the use of structure. Objective. A. To compare the performance of dynamic testing and maintain load testing. B. To compare on the settlement and the capacity of the pile. Methodology. In this study, there are two types of data have been collected. One is the data for maintain load test, and another one is for the dynamic test. A. Dynamic test. The main principle of dynamic test is based on smoothing the reaction mass from the top of pile by releasing high pressure gas from cylinder. B. Maintain load test. Cartilage is usually used to give a reaction, and more or less the material available in sufficient quantity can be used. 5. Literature review. In every project, piles are one of the important parts that need to be monitored and carefully designed. There are several things that need to be included in choosing the right pile of the project. This includes project investigation, soil sampling method, release test in determining the correct pile and appropriate pile selection. A. Site investigation. Site investigation planning for pile work is essentially similar to that done for shallow foundation, apart from the obvious need for more in-depth foundation. B. Basic piling method. Two basic methods assembling pile are well known. This is pushing them to the ground. Or excavation, usually by boring and filling the wall of concrete. C. Pile testing. The pile test load is expensive and the cost should be carefully weighed against the risk reduction and satisfactory behavior guarantee provided by the pile test. D. Interpretation of the result. The best data interpretation can be done at several levels. 1. Qualitative examination of data solution curve. 2. Inspection to comply with load specification and deformation. 3. Data back analysis to provide information on soil stiffness and strength criteria. E. Dynamic. Compared to dynamic and static tests, One, in the dynamic test, the falling mass strike the stack, giving a short-term boost. The force and velocity derived from the gauge affect the top of the pile. Two, static tests are comprehensive and burdensome. Many comparisons of the in situ push and thrown have shown similar results. Last conclusion, it can be concluded that the static and dynamic tests produce almost similar results. Based on the result of the test, the dynamic test achieved ultimate capacity to 156 ton and settlement 1.87 millimeter. The maintain load test achieved capacity to 100 ton with 1.978 millimeter settlement. Thank you.